women's eyes. I just want you guys to see this beautiful transition from long hair to short hair. I love this beautiful Twinnie Winnie Afro. It's beautiful, it's lovely for beautiful women. For those that really want the finger wave, this platinum finger wave is that kind of hairstyle that will fit every woman and every skin tone. More especially those with melanin skin or those with light skin, like it's that kind of hair that will suit everyone and boost everyone's confidence. I also love this blonde. Blonde is another kind of color that will make you look so bold, that will always make eyes stand whenever you are in that occasion or that red carpet event. So you know it's weekend and you know we are here with exciting short hairstyles to really motivate those that want to go for the party and for those that really want to change things up over there. You know, for the beautiful women that want to go out for the date, for those that are hanging out, please you need to watch this video to the end because you're not going to regret watching this video because we've highlighted about 35 beautiful short natural haircuts for all face shape. So if it's your first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your mind in the comment section below, okay? I just want you guys to please support the rest of the styles we have for you guys because these styles, they are stunning, they are captivating, and they are one of the new hairstyling options for beautiful black women that really want a big transition this April. I appreciate you all, my returning subscribers, my new subscribers. God bless you guys. Stay up to Wendy Styles for more beautiful short sexy haircuts for you. Ciao, ciao.